Hey there, human. I'm RoboIQ, your body's favorite AI assistant. Today, I'm scanning one question. Your body is smarter than you think, but how smart are you about it? You've got 60 questions and 3 level up. Prove that your brain deserves its electricity bill. Every correct answer gives you +1 energy. Get 15 right in this level to earn your first badge, the Curious Circuit. Ready to play? Let's see how your body outsmarts you every single second. Which part of your body makes decisions before your brain even reacts? The heart, the brainstem, or the spinal cord? It's the spinal cord, your reflex center, reacting before thought even starts. What sends thousands of electrical messages every second? Nerve cells, muscles, or skin? It's nerve cells, lightning-fast communicators, zapping signals non-stop. Who filters your blood 24/7 without ever asking for sleep? The kidneys, the liver, or the heart? It's the kidneys, your tireless filters, scrubbing about 180 liters a day. Which organ can regrow itself if part is lost? The heart, the liver, or the brain? It's the liver, the only internal organ that can regenerate like a natural 3D printer. What tells your brain you're full after eating? Stomach muscles, hormones, or the heart? It's hormones, leptin, and others send the meal complete signal right to HQ. Who controls your heartbeat when you're asleep? Muscles, the brain, or the autonomic nervous system? It's the autonomic nervous system, your hidden autopilot, keeping rhythm even in dreams. Why does your skin make goosebumps when you're cold? Tiny muscles pulling hair, shrunken blood vessels, or static electricity? It's tiny muscles pulling each hair upright, a leftover reflex from our furrier ancestors. Which organ does the most multitasking? The heart, the liver, or the brain? It's the liver, managing energy, detoxing blood, producing proteins, and more than 500 jobs total. Who repairs damaged DNA every second? Immune cells, body cells, or hormones? It's body cells, quietly fixing billions of microscopic errors before you even blink. Who works hardest when you're asleep? The heart, the brain, or the stomach? It's the brain, sorting memories, solving problems, cleaning house while you dream. What part of your body glows under UV light? Teeth, skin, or nails? It's teeth, thanks to fluorescent minerals like phosphorus that catch invisible rays. What sense connects strongest to memory? Smell, touch, or sound? It's smell, one sniff, and your brain rewinds 10 years instantly. Who decides when to breathe faster during a workout? The heart, the muscles, or the brain? It's the brain detecting rising carbon dioxide and signaling your lungs to pick up the pace. Which part of your body keeps balance even with your eyes closed? Your feet, your inner ear, or your brain? It's the inner ear, your built-in gyroscope, that keeps you upright and steady. Why do your fingers wrinkle in water? Dry skin, better grip, or nerve reaction? It's better grip, wrinkles improve traction. Nature's waterproof fingertips. Which organ manages over 500 vital functions? The heart, the brain, or the liver? It's the liver, your multitasking hero, from detoxing to storing energy and producing proteins. Why do you yawn when others do? Mirror neurons, boredom, or oxygen need? It's mirror neurons, your brain syncing emotionally, empathy in action. Who sends your body into fight or flight mode? The heart, the adrenal glands, or the brain? It's the adrenal glands, releasing adrenaline faster than you can panic. Who powers every cell like a built-in generator? Mitochondria, DNA, or muscles? It's mitochondria, the mighty energy factories turning food into fuel. What body part is this? E plus air. It's ear. E plus air, ear, your personal sound receiver and balance center. Visual mode on. Let's test those observation skills. Check out these 6 boxes. Can you spot where the liver is hiding? We have lungs, stomach, heart, liver, brain, kidney. Which box shows the liver? Time's up. The answer is box number 4, the liver. If you got it right, you've earned freeze time plus 3 seconds for the next round. Level 1 complete. If you got at least 15 out of 20 right, you've earned your first badge, the Curious Circuit. You've proven your body's smarter than you thought, but don't relax yet. Up next, we're going deeper. Your cells are about to flex their real IQ. Who controls your body's thermostat, keeping you at just the right temperature? The brainstem, the hypothalamus, or the heart? It's the hypothalamus, your internal climate controller, always balancing heat and chill. Which organ acts like your chemical news center, broadcasting updates all over the body? Endocrine glands, kidneys, or lungs? It's the endocrine glands, your hormone network, posting chemical announcements every second. When you get nervous, why does your stomach twist? Dehydration, lack of food, or stress hormones hitting gut nerves? It's stress hormones hitting gut nerves, your body's way of saying, feeling butterflies yet. Who decides your heart rate when you stand up too fast? The autonomic nervous system, the heart, or the muscles? It's the autonomic nervous system instantly adjusting blood pressure so you don't faint. Why do your eyes water in the wind? Because they're tired? Because you're emotional? Or as a protection reflex? It's a protection reflex. Tears shield your cornea from dust and dry air. What part of your brain remembers danger the fastest? The hippocampus? The amygdala? Or the cerebellum? It's the amygdala, your fear hub, storing every alarm for future reference. Why do you feel sleepy after a big meal? Because blood rushes to your gut? Because you're full? Or too much sugar? It's blood rushing to your gut. Energy diverted to digestion means brain takes a nap. Which system runs automatically without your permission? Digestive, autonomic nervous system, or skeletal? It's the autonomic nervous system handling breathing, heartbeat, and sweating without you signing in. Why do your joints ache before rain? Humidity, cold temperature, or air pressure drops? It's air pressure, drops. Less pressure outside, makes joint tissues swell just enough to ache. Why does your heart jump when your phone buzzes? Surprise? Adrenaline surge? Or brain confusion? It's an adrenaline surge. Your body mistakes that vibration for a tiny emergency. All right, biodetective, find the imposter. Heart, brain, lungs, banana. Which one doesn't belong? Yep, the banana. Healthy snack but not part of the human upgrade package. Congrats, you've just earned double XP for the next 3 questions. Use it wisely. Who triggers your fight or flight reflex? Adrenal glands, heart, or brain? It's the adrenal glands pumping adrenaline into your blood like a power boost. Why do your pupils shrink in bright light? To protect the retina, to adjust vision, or random reaction? It's to protect the retina, your eyes' instant sunblock. Who tracks time when there's no clock? Circadian rhythm, heart, or brain? It's your circadian rhythm, the internal clock that runs on sunlight and habit. Why do your muscles shake after heavy lifting? Fatigue signals, low oxygen, or cooling? It's fatigue signals, your muscles screaming, out of fuel, need backup energy. Which part of your body actually predicts danger before you realize it? Subconscious sensors, eyes, or heart? It's subconscious sensors, your brain's pattern spotters detecting trouble milliseconds ahead. Why do your palms sweat before an interview? Fight or flight mode? Temperature or hydration? It's fight or flight mode, your body cooling itself for possible action. Who runs your emotions behind the scenes? Limbic system? Cerebellum? Or spine? It's the limbic system, your emotional control room, where feelings meet logic. Why do you get chills during powerful music? Cold? Emotional response? Or fear? It's an emotional response. Dopamine spikes give your skin a goosebump encore. Why do people sneeze in bright sunlight? Allergy? Nerve crossfire? Or heat? Its nerve crossfire. Light triggers the same nerve pathway as a sneeze reflex. What body part is this? H+ and. It's hand. H+ and hand. Your built-in multi-tool for touch, gesture, and creation. Level 2 complete! If you scored at least 15 out of 20, congratulations, you've earned your second badge, the BioThinker. You've proven your body isn't just alive, it's analyzing, predicting, and reacting like a living AI. Who arrives first when you get a paper cut? White blood cells? Platelets? Or red blood cells? It's platelets. They rush in first, forming a quick patch to stop the bleeding before backup arrives. Who remembers every virus you've ever met? The heart? Memory cells? Or DNA? It's memory cells, your immune system's historians, ready to fight any repeat intruder instantly. Why do bruises change color over time? Because blood dries? Pigments break down? Or air gets trapped under skin? It's pigments, breaking down. Red turns purple, then green, then yellow as hemoglobin fades away. Who cleans up dead cells like tiny vacuum robots? Macrophages? Platelets? Or enzymes? It's macrophages, your body's cleanup crew, swallowing debris and keeping tissues spotless. Why does your nose get blocked when you're sick? Inflammation traps germs? Air pressure? Or temperature? It's inflammation, trapping germs. Swollen blood vessels narrow the airway to block invaders. Who rebuilds tissue when you're hurt? Fat cells? Hormones? Or stem cells? It's stem cells. They transform into whatever the body needs to repair the damage. What happens if a cell detects unfixable damage? It self-destructs? It hides? Or it divides faster? It self-destructs, triggering apoptosis, a polite exit to protect the system. Who keeps your bones from turning brittle? Sugar? Protein? Or calcium and vitamin D? It's calcium and vitamin D, your skeletal dream team, keeping every bone strong and stable. Why do you shiver when you're sick? Because of fever? To create more heat? Or just a random reaction? It's to create more heat. Your muscles contract rapidly to raise body temperature and fight infection. Why does a fever help you heal? Sweating out toxins? Slowing bacteria growth? Or hydration? It's slowing bacteria growth. The heat makes your body less welcoming to germs while your immune cells speed up. Robo IQ. Alright, Repair Squad, let's rebuild. Here's your sequence. Cut platelets, inflammation cell, rebuild new skin. Got it right? Today, you didn't just play a quiz. You explored the mind of the body that built you. It thinks faster than fear, heals quicker than guilt, and forgives every late-night snack. If you scored under 30, you're in reboot mode. Time to charge those neurons. 30-45. You're a biothinker, balanced between logic and instinct. 46-60. You're the living machine, the body and brain in perfect sync. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel to see more interesting content. So, which are you? Drop your badge in the comments.